Pinamamadali na ng Pangulong Aquino ang rehabilitasyon sa Visayas. Sa pakikipagtulungan ng Pangulo sa gabinete nito, inaprubahan na ang Post-Disaster Needs Assessment para sa mga lugar na lubos na napinsala ng Super Typhoon Yolanda. Para sa detalye, balitaan mo kami, Rocky Ignacio.
Inaprubahan na ni Pangulo Aquino ang Post-Disaster Needs Assessment na inilatag ni NDRRMC Chief Alexander Pama sa ginanap na cabinet meeting kaugnay ng planong rehabilitasyon ng pinsala dulot ng Super Typhoon Yolanda. Nakapalob dito ang 4 na rehiyon, 11 probinsya at ang Tacloban City. Ayon kay Presidential Communications Secretary Sunny Coloma, bagamat aprobado, nais pa rin ng Pangulo ang pagsasaayos ng iba pang hakbang, partikular na ang no-build zone o paglalagay sa mas ligtas na lugar ang mga apektadong pamilya. Batay sa PDNA, aabot sa 104.6 billion pesos ang kailangang pondo para sa kabuang rehabilitasyon sa lugar. Aprobado na rin sa Pangulo ang rekomendasyon para payagan ng local government units na i-realign ang dati ng pondo mula sa ibang rehabilitation projects.
Directed the Cabinet to act with an increased sense of urgency in finalizing the post-Yolanda rehabilitation, especially in view of the expected onset of the rainy season in June. As reported by Secretary Lacson, rehabilitation plans have been completed for Leyte Province, Western Samar Province, and Cebu Province, as well as Tacloban City. After a final review session within a week, each cluster will be asked to sign off so that full implementation will commence on all fronts upon the President's approval. These are resettlement, infrastructure, social services, and livelihood.
Kasunod nito, inaasahan ang implementasyon ng Master Plan ng Recovery at Reconstruction sa mga apektadong lugar. Tiniyak naman ni Budget Secretary Butch Abad na may sapat na pondo para dito.
Secretary Abad said that a total of 65 billion pesos is immediately available for spending from the 2014 and 2013 budgets. Of this amount, he said that the DBM has released 32.2 billion pesos. He said that another 80 billion pesos is available from concessional loans and grants given by the World Bank, Asian Development Bank, and Japan Industrial Cooperation Agency, or JICA, Japan International Cooperation Agency. Furthermore, another 15 billion pesos has been received from foreign governments out of the more than 34 billion pesos in pledges and commitments as reflected in the Faith website.
Nagsimula na ang pagtatayo ng mahigit 2,000 permanent housing units nitong Marso. Inaasahang aabot sa mahigit 200,000 housing units ang maitatayo hanggang 2016.
Land acquisition and development are expected to accelerate after the President approved the allocation of funds for the acquisition of private lands through expropriation or direct purchase. The resettlement cluster will meet again within a week to thresh out a new policy using science-based multi-hazard maps to determine safe, controlled, and unsafe zones. This will address the problems posed by the strict implementation of the no-build zone policy, especially in coastal and tourist-oriented areas.
Nais naman ng Pangulo na magsagawa muli ng cabinet meeting para sa progreso ng rehabilitasyon sa lugar. Para sa Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.